So good morning students. Children, today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 18, the circus show. So children, open page number 37 in your book. So children, here the conversation between teacher and Jimmy. Okay, so we will start reading the chapter. Just listen carefully. Teacher, where did you go yesterday? Jimmy, I went to see the circus. So teacher is asking that Jimmy, tell me that where did you go yesterday? So he replied that I went to see the circus. Now teacher, where is it? Jimmy, it is in the Ramlila Maidan near the fort. So the teacher is asking that where is it, means कहाँ पर है? So he replied that it is in Ramlila Maidan near the fort. Teacher, with whom did you get there? Jimmy, I went there with my uncle. So teacher is asking that with whom you have went there. So he replied, I went with my uncle. Now teacher, how did you go there? So Jimmy, I went there by car. Now teacher is asking that how did you go there? So he replied that I went by car. Teacher, who bought the tickets? Jimmy, we had passes to go inside. So teacher is asking that who bought the tickets. So ticket is there na for entering. The tickets are there. So teacher is asking that who bought the tickets for you. So he replied that I had a passes to go inside, means passes to go inside. Teacher, did you enjoy the show? Jimmy, yes, it was fantastic, especially the elephants riding one-wheeled cycles and the monkeys clinging on ropes were really good. Now teacher is asking that Jimmy, tell me that did you enjoy the show? क्या तुम्हें मज़ा आया? Did you enjoy the show? So he replied that yes, it was very fantastic and it was means it was very good circus and it was very fantastic. The elephants were riding one-wheeled cycles and the monkeys clicking on ropes were real, latakna, clicking on ropes. Then teacher, what else did you see? So teacher is asking that what else did you see? तुमने और क्या चीज़ें देखी? What else did you see? Jimmy, I saw traps, artists, jugglers and acrobats. They were remarkable in their performance. So whenever you will go the circus show, you will see the jugglers there, acrobats, मतलब जो लटक के जो एक से इधर से उधर कूदते हैं, जो पर्सन जो फिर उसका शो दिखाते हैं, वो सब तो सारी चीज़ें परफॉर्मेंस होती है इन सर्कस शो. So teacher, what else did you see in the circus? So teacher is asking that उसके अलावा और तुमने क्या क्या देखा? What else did you see? Jimmy, I saw trained tigers and lions. They perform tricks like jumping through the fire ring and standing on the chair. So the teacher is asking that what else did you see in the circle? So Jimmy replied, I saw the trained tigers. The tigers are very trained in the circus. So they trained tigers and lions. They performed tricks. मतलब कई सारे trained tigers animals को train किया जाता है ताकि वो circus show में perform कर सके. Okay, so they were jumping through the ring fire, standing on the chair. So they were the trained tigers. So next page, page number 38. Teacher, did you see any clown? Clown means joker. Did you see any clown? Jimmy, yes, there were about a dozen of them. All were colorfully dressed. They made us laugh all the time. So children, clown means joker. So Jimmy said yes, they were, means many of them. They were colorfully dressed up. Okay, they were carefully dressed. They have made paint their faces and they made us laugh all the time. Now teacher, so how did you feel about this circus? Now teacher is asking that how did you feel, means what you have feel in the circus. Jimmy, to me the circus was a very interesting show where everything was done on the spot. It was a lot of fun. So he replied that to me, means for me the show was very interesting. The show was very interesting means everything was done on the spot. जो भी चीज़ें वही सामने स्पॉट में किया गया था जितनी भी, and it was a lot of fun. Then teacher, tell me something else about the circus. Now teacher replied, means tell me something more about the circus. Jimmy, yes ma'am, a man drove a motorcycle at full speed in the well of death. Children, you have seen in Gorakhnath also, Gorakhnath Mandir also, whenever Khichdi Mela is there. So one we can say that कुआ we can say ना, जिसमें सब जो मेंस होते हैं, जो आदमी होते हैं, वो बाइक चलाते हैं उस कुएं के उसमें. So it was so same only. He was saying that a man drove a motorcycle at full speed in a full of well of death. So we can say that मौत का कुआं. Then lastly we saw a few clowns riding in an old motor car as it moved around the circus ring. So old motor car was there and the Joker was riding there and it was moved the circus ring. It parts got separated and the engine got fire. The fire brigade quickly sprinkled water on the clown. It looked very funny indeed. Okay, so children, here we have completed the chapter, lesson number 38. Now in this chapter, children, 18 chapter, no question answers are there. Okay, so and children, chapter 19 also build your vocabulary. In this also it is a homework that you will read by yourself, and in this chapter also no question answers are there. Now children, here we have completed the third term chapters also. Okay, I will repeat one more time that in 18 and 19 chapter no question answers are there. Okay, so 19th chapter it is a homework that you will read by yourself. Okay, and here we have completed third term chapters also. So just revise your chapters, every chapters just revise. Okay, so children, if you are having any doubt regarding any conversation, just ask to me. Okay, so thank you everyone, bye and take care.